everything will be cooked in the mug and then I have to eat it from the mug. Everything's coming out. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, smells heavenly. I don't know if it's going inside or not. I don't know if it's a fail or a pass. Hi guys, good morning, welcome back to my channel. I am Mohini and I make videos of fashion, travel, lifestyle, DIY and a lot more. And welcome back to another episode of 23 Days with Mohini. As I'm turning 23, so I'll be uploading 23 regular uploads in September and October, as my birthday is on 30th September. And in this video, as you must have read by the title, I am going to eat just the mug recipes. This video was so much trending, so I think a lot of people have tried this in quarantine, but now we are coming out of it. But I still wanted to try it, so I thought, why not, let's just do it. So if you don't know what this video will have, so in this video I am going to eat all for 24 hours, which will be like all my meals in mugs. So everything will be cooked in the mug and then I have to eat it from the mug. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I have some dishes in my mind, some I'll think, and let's see how it goes. Some dishes I think will go good and some I am not so sure. And for the starting, as it's the breakfast time, I wanted to try something jo tried and tested though, because I don't want to start my day on a bad note. So I'm going to cook omelets, and I've seen so many videos with omelets as breakfast, so I think omelets will be a good idea. So for that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to beat 2 eggs in a mug. Like, of course, we are doing mug recipes. So I'm going to beat 2 eggs in a mug and then add some namak, kali mirch, oregano, chili flakes, whisk everything in and then just keep it in microwave for 2 minutes. And then let's see कि इसका क्या बना है finally. Okay guys, so this is how my eggs are looking. जो मैंने videos में देखा था उनमें सब में ऊपर आ गए थे, but I don't know, maybe मेरा mug का size बड़ा था या whatever. So this is how the texture is. They look promising, they look good, and now let me taste कि ये taste अच्छे कर भी रहे हैं, okay भी कर रहे हैं, then also I'm like fine. Okay, so the texture is good, they look good, they taste fine. And I guess अगर ये किसी का backfire होता तो it will be because of the quantity of salt or chili flakes or whatever. But cook होने के मामले में they are really good, and I think it's a great idea, great breakfast idea for the ones who are living like not with their families and they have to cook something on the go. So I think omelets are your way to go. Good. You can also add onions or tomatoes or anything you want to in this omelette, but I don't like onions, I don't like tomatoes, so that's why I have not added it. But you can, you know, customization is the key. It is super hot. So guys, I've completely finished it up and I'm proud of myself that the challenge is going quite nice. And now I think I'll see you around lunch. Hi guys, so it's lunchtime right now and I'm way too hungry because usually breakfast mein if I have eggs, so I have something on the sides like some fruits or some milk, but I couldn't have anything because I was doing this challenge. So now I'm super hungry. And for lunch I've decided to create mac and cheese, but we are just not going to use the macaroni and cheese, but we are also going to put some vegetables. But for the starting, I'm taking the mug, the same mug again. I'm going to put some macaroni. This is the Bambino macaroni. So this is how much macaroni and water I have taken. I'm going to add some salt, give it a nice stir, and then I'm going to put it in the microwave for 2 minutes and let the macaroni boil, and then add all the vegetables and cheese and everything else. So it took me 6 minutes to get macaroni like this, and now this is like fully cooked, so you can give time according to what you feel. And now I'm going to strain the water and then add everything else. Okay, so I strained the water and मैंने थोड़ी macaroni side पे रख दिया because otherwise मैं बाकी चीज़ें नहीं आती. So for the ingredients. I'm going to put this veg mayonnaise. I'm going to put like 1.5 almost spoon, and I'm going to add some veggies, which are some capsicum, some corns and some gajar. I'm not so sure how they will taste all together because इनको saute नहीं किया गया है, but still okay. Like कर ही रहे हैं weird challenge, so let's just add it in. So I'm going to add all the veggies, and I don't know how am I going to mix everything in. Oh my god, it's going to be a task. For the seasonings, I'm going to add oregano and chili flakes. And chili flakes as well because there's nothing spicy iske alawa. I am also going to add some mozzarella cheese because this is what is going to bring the taste. Be generous with cheese, so I've taken like a lot and I don't know how to mix it, but I definitely want to mix it before like putting it in the microwave again. So I think I'll just keep a plate niche. Hi guys, I'm back on the hot seat to like try it out. This looks good. I think it should taste good as well. Oh my god. This is good. This is too good. I think the choice of the vegetables I made was a good decision because ये सारी सब्जियाँ कच्ची कच्ची भी अच्छी लग रही हैं, and the macaroni is perfectly cooked. It has so much cheese, oregano, chili flakes, namak, everything's perfect. This recipe I can like make it as it is as well. I don't need to do a mug challenge for this. Lord. So मैंने मम्मा को बुलाया है and let's see कि उनको ये कैसा लगता है. So mama is here. Mama, please taste it and tell everybody how it tastes.
Wow,
Tastes good?
very yummy.
आपको उम्मीद थी कि ऐसा अच्छा बनेगा?
मैं दूसरी स्पून भी खा रही हूँ.
Actually में बहुत अच्छा बना है, so
really good.
है ना? I think we can make it बिना challenge के. Yes, पप्पू पास हो गया. मम्मी ने खाना पास कर दिया मतलब. हाँ हाँ. So this dish was a super pass. I would highly recommend you guys to try it. कुछ नहीं कर रहा बनाने का मन, गैस खत्म हो गई है, पीजी में रहते हो, like you know this is so easy to make, and if you don't have a microwave, ये same recipe आप गैस पे भी बना सकते हो. It's very easy. But as we're doing the mug challenge, so आज मैंने मग में बनाया और मेरे मग में first time ऐसा कुछ बनाया, and I'm proud of myself. And now I'm going to see in evening snacks because I guess 2 meals मैं और लूँगी within this 24 hours. So I think I'm gonna have one evening snack and one dinner. So see you at the evening snack time now. Bye bye. Hi guys, it's 6 PM right now, and before you think कि आज सारा दिन मैं pajamas में क्यों थी, today's a editing day. So I was editing non-stop. I had my breakfast edited, had my lunch edited, and then I'm going to have my evening snack. And I don't think I'm gonna edit now. I think I'll edit some more stuff after dinner. But now I was craving for some mug cake, and I've made it in the past, but I don't know the recipe, so I'm gonna follow a new recipe altogether. So I have changed the mug for a change, and here's the recipe which I'm gonna follow. So let's get started. this is how the mug cake looks. It looks so yummy. I cannot wait to dig in, and like this looks very promising. And oh my god, this is so fluffy. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, smells heavenly. I've never made cake this soft. Never. Love it. This is a perfect evening time snack. The cake is so soft, so fluffy, perfect amount of meetha. I can't really see where the chocolate is because I can see it's so melted, but when it's in my mouth I can feel yahan pe chocolate hai because it's like extra hot, and it was just baked in like 1 minute. I mean, I guess 5-6 minutes lage the preparation mein, so I love this cake so much.
कौन सा केक बनाया है?
Chocolate cake.
Wow. Good. Really good.
Do you want to show your face?
No.
So sad. मैं आधे ज़्यादा खा चुकी हूँ. Love it. I think I should do like more food videos because they're so fun. Also, how are you guys liking my 23 videos? Do let me know in the comment section. Because today is like, I guess, 2nd September. I'm filming it and I have no clue how those 23 videos will go and how will you like it, if you like it, if you won't like it. I have no clue. Like, I'm just making and I am not thinking about the end result. I'm just making it because I think that will make me happy, and if the results make you happy, then that will be the happiest for me. So yeah, इस वीडियो में से कोई एक चीज़ अगर मैं कहूँगी तो सबसे बेस्ट थी, this was it. And now for the dinner, I am planning to make dhokla. I have no clue how I'm gonna make it. I have no clue how it will taste, but yeah, let's just give it a try. Hi guys, so finally I've changed because मैं walk पे गई थी and I didn't want to go in pajamas, so I changed into a t-shirt and track pants. And now for dinner, I'm going to make dhokla. And for the dhokla, I'm going to do a little bit of cheating. So basically, I don't have a bigger mug, जैसे bowl type mug नहीं है कोई भी, and उसमें बहुत छोटा ढोकला बनेगा, which won't be enough for me. So I'm doing a little bit cheating. So I'm going to use this bowl. You can use a soup bowl as well, or a mug if you have a bigger size of mug. And Mama is going to help me make dhokla because I don't know how to make a dhokla. So when we make dhokla or the water tadka should like one of the things should be like hot and one of the things should be cold. So we're going to make the tadka first, which is going to be cold, and then the dhokla will be warm, and then we'll just add it all together. So for the tadka, I'm going to use like 1 tablespoon oil. I'm going to add some rai, some kadhi patta, and I'm also going to add like 1 hari mirchi for the tadka. This all will go in the microwave together. So like after 1 minute the tadka is ready. So we're going to add like half spoon powdered sugar and like almost a glass of water. So everything in, and this is going to go dhokle ke upar se, and I'm going to boil it now for like I guess 1 or 2 minutes. So the tadka is now sizzling hot. I'm going to keep it aside so that it thoda thanda ho jaye, and till then we're gonna make the basic dhokla. So for the base dhokla, we're gonna use thoda sa besan, like 2 spoons, and we're gonna use like 1 tablespoon suji. Little bit of salt and haldi, a pinch of ENO. We will just mix the dry ingredients before adding the dahi. Once the mixture is ready, I'm gonna add the dahi. So I've diluted the dahi like with some water so that the consistency is good. So I'm gonna add a little bit of more ENO. This looks nice. So I'm gonna keep it for 2 to 3 minutes and then see. Okay, so the dhokla is ready and the water is now at room temperature. So I'm gonna add it in. I guess the water is thoda zyada according to the dhokla. I don't know if it's going inside or not. I don't know if it's a fail or a pass. Cut it so that the water seeps in better. Okay, the water has gone in. Okay. So it wasn't a fail. Okay, now I should add the rest of the water as well. Let's see if it goes inside or not. I'm gonna keep it for a minute and then have it. Let just the water seep in. Okay, so the dhokla is done and now I'm gonna have it. The first bite. It's too spicy. Namak kam hai. It's like too soft for a dhokla, I guess. The water is too much, but नमक कम है. बट ठीक है, ढोकला बन सकता है माइक्रोवेव में अगर आप थोड़ा और अच्छे से बनाओ. वे टू स्पाइसी. आई थिंक मैंने खा लिया ढोकला. इट्स नाउ द वाटर विच इज़ लेफ्ट विच आई एम नॉट गोना ईट बिकॉज इट्स वे टू स्पाइसी एंड समथिंग विच आई डोंट लाइक. And that was it for this video. I hope you liked it. I hope you're liking the 23 video series, and if you liked it, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Some videos are already live, some will go live soon, so I hope you're catching up on all of them. And the cake was the best thing, the macaroni was the second best thing, omelette was the third best, और ढोकला I guess इसमें इतनी मिर्ची ना होती और नमक थोड़ा ज़्यादा होता तो I guess ठीक बनता, बट पानी भी कम होना चाहिए. तो बेसिकली मेरे से ढोकला नहीं बना. अगर आप बनाओ एंड इफ यू ट्राई दिस रेसिपी, डू लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन बिलो एंड देन मे बी आई विल ट्राई इट अगैन, बट फॉर नाउ आई एम नॉट गोना डू इट अगैन. एंड या, थैंक यू गाइस फॉर वॉचिंग. इफ लाइक द वीडियो, डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब द यूजुअल, एंड टिल देन बाय बाय, लव यू.